Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. I am Séverine, votre professeur de français. Hello and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I am Séverine and I am your French coach. Today, very important, I'm going to teach you 10 nouns that you need to know because they are often mistaken for a feminine noun. It means that when you use these nouns, you have to say le or un before them. I've noticed that a lot of people get confused because you would think that these nouns should use la. So stop sounding like a beginner and elevate your French and learn these 10 exceptions. As usual, you will find the transcript on the website speakfrenchavecmoi.com, where you'll find more resources to practice, and feel free to join the Facebook page. The Facebook page has more content if you plan to travel to France. And again, feel free to subscribe to make sure that you're not going to miss any upcoming episodes. Are you ready to speak French? I'll be right back after the short break. Alors, first, what does it mean masculine or feminine nouns? Well, in French, everything has a gender. Things, places, items, plants, countries, thoughts. The French language doesn't have any neutral. It means for each noun, you have a matching gender article. And as a student, you must feel overwhelmed, but there is a method behind the madness. So today, what I want to do is, when you know these 10 nouns, then you know that all the others are feminine. Alors, first, most French nouns ending with the vowel E at the end are feminine, just like my first name, right? So in about, I'd say, 95% of the case, if you see the letter E, at the end of the noun is feminine, which leaves you with a 5% error margin. And it's hard, I realize it's hard. You're not, going to learn so many words. Just let you know that to speak a language, to be able to communicate, you need about 600 words. Words such as nouns, subject, verbs, adjective. All right, so today let's get down to these 10 masculine nouns that are often mistaken for feminine. When you use these nouns, you say le or un before. Le means the, un means a. Let's start with one of the most common one, le musée, with a Z sound. Le musée. It means a museum. Although it ends with E, it is masculine. If you're going to the museum, you say je vais au musée. Je vois le musée. I see the museum, le musée. Second word, le cinéma. Cinéma. Cinema means a movie or a movie theater. Je vais au cinéma means I'm going to the movie theater. Of course, it means, you're going to go watch a movie. Je vais au cinéma. Le cinéma is a noun that is masculine. And if you need to tell someone to stop acting up, in French, we say arrête ton cinéma. Stop your movie. Stop acting up. Arrête ton cinéma. Le portefeuille. Wow, that's a hard one. I'm going to repeat slowly. Le portefeuille. Le portefeuille. Although this word ends with E, it is masculine and it means a wallet. Le portefeuille. Le squelette. Le squelette. A skeleton, yes. Although it ends with et, like baguette, and French words ending in et are feminine, this is the only et word that is masculine. I know you might not use it too often, but it's good to know for your own personal. Le squelette. Le nuage. Le nuage. Not je, like treasure. Le nuage. Nuage means cloud in the sky. Le nuage. Most nouns ending in age, age, are masculine. But you have to make an exception for image, which is feminine, an image, and plage, which is feminine, and it means the beach. So let's remember, most nouns ending in age are masculine. Le nuage, except for image and plage. La plage, the beach. Le journalisme, with the J sound at the beginning. Journalisme. Journalisme. Of course, journalism. All the nouns ending in isme are feminine in French. Le journalisme, le tourisme, tourism. Le lycée, le lycée. Lycée ends like musée with a, e at the end, and it means a high school. So we don't say la, we say le lycée for high school. Now we have gender-oriented nouns. Le frère, the brother. Le père, the father. L'oncle, with a cle sound at the end. L'oncle. Although all these nouns end with e, they are masculine. We call them gender-oriented nouns. Le pourboire. Le pourboire. Pourboire, le pourboire is a tip, the tip. Okay, when you tip someone, when you leave, you change or you leave some money for your waitress or your waiter. Although it ends with a, it is masculine. And most nouns ending in O-I-R-E are masculine. Le génie. Le génie. Yes, you know what is a genie out of the bottle, right? So that is also masculine, and all the nouns ending in IE. Le génie. Correct. So now keep in mind, all these nouns, when you use them, you would say le. Some of them you're not going to use too often. Some others you'll use more. So let's go through the list again. Le musée, le cinéma, le portefeuille, le squelette, le nuage, le journalisme, le lycée, le frère, le père, l'oncle, le pourboire, le génie. And keep in mind that nouns ending in ISME and IE and AGE are masculine. And now also, the gender of the noun does not depend if the noun sounds masculine to you. I mean, words like war, beer, or dumbbells, well, they're all feminine nouns. And words like lipstick, makeup, necklace, they're all masculine nouns. So please do not get mixed up between the meaning and the grammar. Voilà, c'est la fin de cet épisode. Here you go. It's the end of this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to practice during the week. Train your brain in French. Take 5 or even less, 2 minutes a day to challenge yourself, asking, how do I ask a question? If you look around you again, make sure that you can learn and remember the things that you see around you. So it will really help you to learn French faster. Thank you, and as usual, and I know I keep asking, but feel free to leave a rating, 5 stars. You can do it straight in the app, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Again, wherever you are in the world, thank you for being such an amazing listener. And if nobody has told you, you are fabulous. Merci, au revoir, à bientôt.